Skiatook, Oklahoma, going to see the Teepee Rock. What is Teepee Rock? It's a healing stone that is known to have healing properties. Tribes used to come here and get healed at the rock. Alright, so after that trail, not too steep, 8th mile, Teepee Rock. I guess originally it was located like where the lake is now, but the community said no, save it, move it. It's a natural formation. I guess they used to think it was man-made, but then they did a bunch of studies and found out that, yeah, it's natural. And they say it's got healing properties. The healing rock also, well, you can read this. Originally called Teepee, or also called Teepee Rock, 1/4 mile south. Original location significant because it being near the site of the first Native American church in the area, relocated in 1984 before the filling of Skiatook Lake. Many Native Americans have believed the stone's ability to heal the sick and injured brought to its location, which I'm pretty sure that means its old location. Maybe this still works at the new location. I don't know. Okay, on to the lake. Might as well, you know, since you're there, might as well continue on the trail and go down to the lake. So yeah, now down here on the shores of Skiatook Lake, outside of Tulsa, Oklahoma. There's lots of gnats out here. Got our driftwood, clamshells, freshwater clamshells. Some of these are pretty big. Like this one right here. Look at this one. Yeah, it's a good sized clam. 12 foot high and 18 feet wide, I think it said. Yeah, backing up, back. There it is. And I'm 6 foot ½ inch. Standing right in the middle. Get your heel on, I guess. And now the 8th mile hike up begins, or continues. It's not that steep, not too bad. So I was told that this office is Monday through Friday, 8 to 5, and that the gate will be locked if you go any other time. Today's Saturday when we're filming this. But also I read online, it said if the gate's closed, because you're after those hours, just park at the gate and walk. That's just what I read online. I cannot promise that nothing will happen to you or your car if you do so outside of hours. But online I read it was okay. And our car is okay. So, guess there's that. So, if it's outside of those actual hours, park at your own risk. So, that I gotta say, it's kind of neat seeing the lake and the rock. And just gotta say, get outside, explore, enjoy life. Thanks. Check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment, check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family. Every little bit.